I'm going to show you how to make my chicken tortilla soup with my Instant Pot Pro. I'm going to be using the slow cooker function. It's so easy. You just have to set it and forget it. I have some chopped up onions, garlic, yellow, green bell peppers, carrots, and some jalapenos. The Instant Pot Pro is my favorite appliance in the kitchen. It does everything that I need. It sautés, it pressure cooks, sous vide, sautés, and slow cooks. It's so easy to use. I'm going to start with the sauté function to sauté our vegetables. I'm going to set it on high. I'm adding some oil and then I'm going to sauté up the vegetables and let it blister for a bit. Switching over to the slow cook function, I'm setting it to chicken on high for 4 hours. Add your whole chicken in. Add our sautéed vegetables back in, stewed tomatoes, chicken bouillon, some water, chili powder, cumin, kosher salt, black pepper, can of corn, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne, red pepper flakes, dried oregano, and paprika. I'm frying up some corn tortillas to make tortilla chips. After 4 hours, our chicken tortilla soup is ready. I'm just shredding it and taking out all the bones. And ta-da, here it is. I topped it off with some cilantro, limes, avocado, some sour cream, and green onions. It's so easy and so yummy. You can use the slow cooked chicken on some salad for lunch and an open-faced chicken quesadillas for the kids. Enjoy!